Hello everyone, hello colleagues and friends and participants of the conference on the Eco-School taking place in Singapore. I'm very sorry not to be amongst you, but for several reasons I can't be here. But I'm pleased on behalf of FEE to present the organization. We are the world-leading organization on environmental education. We were fostered back in 1981 and today we are worldwide on all continents, and we have Eco-School on all continents, and I know that our coordinator, or our director of the program, Britt, will in a few seconds describe more about it. But first of all, I want to tell you that FEE runs 5 programs. It's besides the Eco-School, we have the Blue Flag, we have the Green Key, we have the Learning About Forest, and we have the Young Reporters for the Environment. And we have members in more than 80 countries now, and we are following a number of principles of education to be run in each of our programs, besides the special 7 steps in the Eco-School, of which you will hear more in a few minutes. It's a pleasure for me now, where I've been introduced, to introduce our director, Britt, who have traveled to you from the headquarters of FEE in Copenhagen. And I wish you all a splendid conference to take place for the next 2 days in Singapore, and to spread the good message of the Eco-School. Thank you very much.